To add YouTube TV to an older Vizio Smart TV, you will need to ensure your TV is compatible with the YouTube TV app. First, check if your Vizio Smart TV is running on the SmartCast operating system, as this is required for YouTube TV compatibility. Next, go to the Vizio SmartCast App Store and search for YouTube TV. If the app is available, you can proceed with the installation by selecting the app and clicking the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your TV. If the YouTube TV app is not available in the App Store, you may need to update your TV's software to the latest version. To do this, go to the TV's settings menu and look for the System Update option. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your TV's software. Once the YouTube TV app is installed, launch the app and sign in with your Google account credentials. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one to use the YouTube TV service. After signing in, you will be prompted to link your YouTube TV account to your Vizio Smart TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. You may be required to enter a code displayed on your TV into the YouTube TV website to complete the linking process. Finally, once the app is installed and linked to your account, you can browse and watch live TV, sports, and on-demand content using the YouTube TV app on your older Vizio Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet to use the YouTube TV app. It is also important to note that some older Vizio Smart TV models may not be compatible with the YouTube TV app, even with the latest software update. In such cases, you may need to consider using an external streaming device such as a Google Chromecast or an Amazon Fire TV Stick to access YouTube TV on your older Vizio Smart TV.